Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Getting a replacement Social Security card the same day is free. Using the SS5 form provided by the SSA, you can fill out your application at home and bring it into the office. This can save a bit of time if your nearest Social Security office location is busy.
Make your mark, take our lead.
A full list of accepted documents and an interactive checklist are available at realid.dmv.ca.gov. Original or certified copies are required for proof of identity and Social Security, no photocopies or pictures. You can bring in a copy for your proof of California address, but the DMV won't accept electronic files. 22 June 2020.
Take our lead.
Getting a Social Security number for your newborn is voluntary. But, getting a number when your child is born is a good idea. How do I apply? At the hospital. When you give information for your baby's birth certificate, you'll be asked whether you want to apply for a Social Security number for your baby.
Make your mark, take our lead.
You'll need to show us a U.S. driver's license, a state-issued non-driver identification card, or a U.S. passport to prove your identity. Sometimes you may also need to prove your current U.S. citizenship or lawful non-citizen status with a birth certificate or passport. 25 July 2016.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Most employers cannot require SS card as identification. Read the I-9 form and you can get around it with other documentation. If the employer participates in E-Verify, they can require SSN. Most employers also photocopy the cards, as they are allowed to do. Again, read the I-9, but not required to do.
Let's help you make your mark.
The fastest way to replace your Social Security card is to request a new one online. You can also visit a local SSA office in your area. According to the SSA website, it typically takes 10 to 14 business days to receive your new card once your application has been processed.
Make your mark, take our lead.
2 weeks. Your new card will arrive within 2 weeks. For online or mail requests for a replacement card, the application process could take a little longer. However, after your application is processed, you can expect your new card within 2 weeks. 23 April 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.